So hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to see how we can install the ETABS software in our system. Okay, so you have to just download the file. You can download the file from the link in my description, or you can purchase it from our website. It is of the minimum cost. Okay, so first of all you have to turn off your Windows security or any type of antivirus which have been already installed, or if not then you just turn off your Windows protection. Okay, so just turn off all the security system in your system, and now open the downloaded file of the ETAB. You have to extract your file in your any disk. Okay, and the password is 123. So just run the first one as administrator and wait for it to install. Okay, here we are fast forwarding our video. It takes some time as per your system configuration. So just wait until it installs. Here it will ask you to activate a standalone license. You have to just click on no or just cross it over. Okay. We will activate it later after installation process completed. Okay, once it installed, you have to just click on finish button. Now, the main process starts from here. Okay. Uh, the software will install simply in your system once you run the setup of the ETAP software. Okay, but now you have to extract the first file, that is password or the crack file. Okay, so just open it and run the first one as the administrator approval. Okay, and click on yes and press any button from your keypad. We just click enter and copy the generated file to the file location of your ETAP software which have been installed just moment ago. Okay, so just right click on it, open the file location and paste the copied file. And now the second most important step in this video or in the installation process is you have to extract the last file. Okay, and just copy these two. Okay, the compiled HTML file and the application file, and paste it in the same location of the StatPro, sorry, ETABS file location, and just continue. And now you have to run the application file. You have to run the application file as administrator approval. Okay, and just mention all the. Okay, now you have to browse the software which will have to be run. Just select here ETABS and click on open, and it is most important to mention the same date and time which is mentioned in this video. Okay, so just mention 1 June 2020, 1 June 2020. Okay, and just click on run. Now your ETAP software is successfully cracked and installed. All the model is working properly. You can analyze and design your model. Okay, now the last step and the last important step is just type a new name for your desktop shortcut. I'm just writing here ETABS. Okay, and just create a desktop shortcut. Click on create desktop shortcut. Okay, create desktop shortcut and run as administrator and now you have to delete the previous one. Okay. Okay, now delete the previous one, and here your ETABS software has been successfully installed in your PC or system. If any problem persists, you can mention it in the comment section of this video. I will definitely guide you in the further process. My phone number is already mentioned in the description. If any problem persists, you can call me directly, okay? And if you need any type of assistance regarding civil engineering, software installation, and any type of software courses, you can directly visit my website. The link is in the description. Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next video.